Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Oh, hey guys, I wait up with some Rudolph Sodas. Welcome back to another video, guys. We had 3 Rudolphs here, so let's get into it. So this is what it looks like. 15,000 pieces. And the chase is he's flocked. And it's kind of disappointing that they didn't do his nose like it's wet and it doesn't glow. That's kind of disappointing, but we love flocked sodas, so we're glad that they made them flocked. So, well, that was very melted. So this is what it looks like. It's a common. I guess I pulled a little too hard. His ear fell off, but we can glue this back on. So, yeah, I guess he's a misfit toy now. So, I guess we'll put his ear over here right now. So the next Rudolph, 15,000 pieces. See if we get a chase. I see white. Okay. All these bags are very melted. So this is what it looks like. Just the common. Alright. So hopefully we get the chase here. 15,000 pieces. Come on, last game magic. Please be a chase. Alright. Jeez. Well, we got the common. Alright guys, well we pulled all commons, but that's fine because there's going to be a video on Christmas Eve that we're going to be opening Bumble, Yukon, Misfit Elephant, and Homie, and we're going to be having another chance of pulling the Rudolph chase because we're going to be opening 2 more Rudolphs. But we're going to be fixing our little Misfit toy here. But please remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Oh, hey guys. Are you waiting up with some red-nosed reindeer sodas? Hey guys. Are you waiting up with some red-nosed on the reindeer sodas? Dang it, dude. Welcome back to another video. Man, that hurt.
His ear is missing. Okay, Incredible Hulk. You sure it was melted or it just wasn't hung up on his ear?
Get us. I don't know what's going on. I did not hit the gym today, alright? I don't know what's going on. I'm just strong today, I guess.